All right, you guys, we have our butterfly, and guess what? This is an incline spine. So just so you guys know, to be clear, while I'm doing this, I'll try to explain it to you. So when I ice dyed this, you saw it flat. When I got it in my Rubbermaid tote, all I did was put an extra rack under the spine, and it sat like this with ice on it. So we inclined the spine. This was flat, just so you know, because I know I wasn't clear about that. So if you want to do the incline spine, great, it'll look awesome. If you don't. It's cool. All right, pinks and purples. Springtime's coming up. It's starting to get nice outside. Who doesn't love a good butterfly on their shirt, you know? Easter, rubber bands. All right, I just have to take the sleeve out of the other side, and it will be the readies. Stop peeking. All right, so here is our butterfly. And now our spine. Boom! Pretty awesome, huh? So the incline does give it like a cool, just spread out kind of look. It'll definitely look better washed and dried, but like I said, now we're putting the washed and dried version at the very end of our videos so you can see what they look like and know whether you want to use those colors or something different. So it works for everybody, but the spine is pretty sweet. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribing if you haven't already. Love you guys. Happy tie-dyeing.